Let's talk filter replacement. When should you replace your pool or spa filter? I knew that this filter needed to be looked at because the pump looked like this. It wasn't totally full of water, and it was obviously kind of struggling to pump the water through. So I opened up the filter to see what the cartridge looked like. Well, as suspected, the filter was very dirty. But that alone does not mean that the filter needs to be replaced. These are washable, reusable filters. But if you see the bands starting to fall apart, that is usually a really good sign that it's time to replace the filters.